Hi everybody, Keith Best here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get your Google Maps API key, because a lot of people have some problems with this, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So first off, we click on this here, which is get your key. Now all that's going to do is open some Google documentation, and basically it's going to help you get through it. So as it says, before you begin, to start using the Maps JavaScript, you need a project with a billing account and the Maps JavaScript API enabled. Okay, so this is a brand new account. Well, it's not brand new, it's an old account, but I've never used the Google Maps API on it, which is why this is highlighted. So, but we'll go through it, because I want to go through it so that it's brand new. So we go to the Google Cloud Platform Console, which opens in a new window. Then what we're going to do, if we follow through with this, we're going to click on the menu button. Well, first of all, we're going to have to create a project. Then we're going to click on the menu button and select API Service Credentials. And then we're going to create the credentials. So we go back to here. Okay, so it says select a project. We haven't got any. I'm going to create a new project. Now, when you create a new project, it gives it a name with a number on the end, but your project has got to be unique across the whole of Google. So basically, let's have a look at please demo API. Okay, so that'll do, and it creates an name for it there, Keith LS Demo API. Like it says, it cannot be changed later, so if you misspelled something, make sure you get it right before you do the create. We do the create. So we've created our project, number 2. So now we need to click the menu button and go to API Services Credentials. And then on that page, we're going to create our credentials, which is API key, and then which creates all the maps. Okay, so we're in there. So click up there. API and Services. Go to Credentials. Select a project. Okay, so we've got no credentials in, so we do create credentials, API key. That gives us our API key there, which we copy, and then we can close that. Do not restrict your API key, because if you restrict the API key, it won't work. So just copy it and do close. If we put that in there and do save, okay, so we save that. So now we jump back to the dashboard. We get, oops, something went wrong. Now if we go back to here, we have a look at our API key. Well, let's name that something better. Just in case I use this account for something else later, then I won't remember what it's for. Okay. Make sure you got nothing, no security on there. Okay, it's got nothing on there. So we go to the dashboard. You should be able to see our library, sorry. If you view all of these, see that one's not enabled, so we need it enabled. It doesn't enable all of the APIs. Go to the APIs, and it should bring a list up. Here we go. To only enable that one, it should have enabled more. Why did it not enable? You have to go through and enable these. Sorry, I want to go to APIs. There used to be an option to actually do at least 6 of them, but I don't know where that one's gone. Show my credentials. No. Let's go to APIs. You have to go through these one at a time. So what we need is we need these enabling. Oops. Now there is 2 or 3 of them which you don't actually need for it to work, but it's a lot easier just to enable them all than to try and work out which 2 or 3 it isn't. Because even some of the ones which you think you don't need or you shouldn't need, like the mobile phone ones, for some reason you do need them enabled, otherwise it doesn't work. It's a pain in the backside, but it's just something you have to do. We're getting there. Three more to go. Okay, so that's the last one. Once I've enabled it. Okay, so we've got that all enabled now. So that's all of the Maps APIs are now enabled and in our API key. But if we go back to Lead Simplify again, and just do a refresh, this page can't load Google Maps correctly. And that's because we haven't got a billing on this. So we need to activate the billing. Obviously, you could do this before you create the APIs if you wanted. Entirely up to you. So I'm just going to I'll have to change the name because obviously me for it. Put in my name. I'll put my credit card in, but it's now, like I say, you get up to $300 in credit. And if you are just using this on your lead simplify, then you'll never ever hit the limit. So you should be fine with it. I'll just put in individual. I'm going to have to fill this in, so I will pause the video, fill it in. And it can take a bit for them to get back to you. Hopefully they'll get back to us before the end of the day. But if not, I will restart the video at this point when I've actually done the billing. So just pause this a second. Okay, so as I said, basically once you put your details in, it comes up to this bit, which is proceed to verification. So you click on that and then you will go and it will ask you to verify your details. So you put your name in and you have to then show them the credit card with the numbers blanked out. Okay, so I'll just do that and then I'll restart the video again. Okay guys, so I've now got my email back to say I've got my billing account is sorted. So now what I need to do is link it to my project. So I need to jump back into here. And we need to go to the menu. So it says on there, we've got all 14 APIs in loaded. If we go to the menu, and we go to billing, as it says, this project has no billing account, so I'll link it. Now I'm hoping that this is not going to show all my details. A long time since I've done this. Billing account, my billing account, set account. So that's set everything up now. So we've got everything set up. So this should work. Let's have a look. Go into Lead Simplify, refresh the screen. And there we go. We have the maps. And once we put a contractor on, it will show us a circle of where that contractor is operating. I'll zoom in. Okay, hope that was useful, guys. Catch you on the next video. Bye.